Hi there. This is Gina, the Singer 500J. And today we're going to get up top, clean inside where the motor worm gear was coming up from the little engine, the little motor. I just wanted to point out that on the back wall, I was going to tape that blue recycling garbage bag so that when I'm spraying oil around here on my toothbrush and my Q-tips and all that, so that I wouldn't get any muck on the wall. So I was going to tape it to the wall. That's a plaster wall. This building was built in the early 50s, 1950s. But the nature of the plastic, it just adheres right to the wall without any tape. So there's a tip there for somebody. Hopefully you can use that. So before we get right into the motor, I want into the sewing machine, I just want to take a look at this motor where the worm gear is and see if we can just use a paper towel. All that's on here is oil. I put the oil on here a couple of days ago and let it soak in. And then I put some more on today and let it soak a bit. So let me see if I can get some more light on the subject here. And all I want to do is just take this paper towel, the shop towel, and see what kind of a job it does. Now, I think it did pretty good. But what it didn't get is it didn't get the cut-ins in between the raised ridges of the worm gear. So I'm gonna have to go the toothbrush route, I guess. Let me get my shop towel here. There, I'm able to stick my thumb in where the fan is there, because these motors have a fan in there. So as the motor turns, it cools off. There, that's a little better. I still didn't get in where I'd like to, like in between the gears. I'd like to get in there better, but that's going to have to do for now. I'm not ready to take this motor apart yet and check the brushes yet. But when the day I do that video, I'll have the sewing machine out of the way, and it'll just be the motor that will be here. So that's a lot better than it was. And I think we can remember that. I still want to get in there and clean it better. Yeah, I can. It's a little tough to get in there still, but what I should do is take these needle nose pliers, flatten the cotton and the plastic. That's a plastic tube that the cotton is wound on these cotton swabs. There, so that might get in there now. We're getting some stuff to move down there. It's kind of a rough place for a cotton swab, really. But oh well. Let me get another tool. This is not a screwdriver. It's one of those that just has a point on it. So let me see what I can do with that. There. That's not bad. That's some kind of seal or whatever. So I don't want to go too hog wild. There was something stuck there, and it has come loose now. I don't know what it could have been. There, we're going to leave that. Yeah, I'm pleased with that motor. I may work on these grooves a little later when I'm just putzing around here. So we'll move that over there. Of course, now the main event is I want to lower the, I want to lower that. I'm going to move that back so we can really get some light into there. Bear with me. Some things you just can't rehearse or plan for. In that respect, even though these are pre-recorded, you know, they are live when they're recorded. Okay. Oh, shit, what did I drop my oil? Forgive me, cursing my little SH word. So it's pretty hard to see some of the dirt in there, I think, in here. But nonetheless, I am going to just get this and start with that. That's not getting as dirty as I would like it to. But anyway, that's what this is going to be. Getting this cleaned up is going to be this kind of a job. And I think at some point I'm going to have to use some degreaser. So that's going to make it even a bigger job. And where's a screwdriver that I can use as a scraper? Okay, so it is. Oh yeah, I'm going to have to take a firmer brush to it than that. Something like this. Let's see if you can see any of this gunk that I'm getting out of here. So it just fits, and I can just get it in there to get some of it out. So with this and the inside here going down to the bottom, I have some scrubbing to do, and it's going to take more than the length of a video. Oopsie daisy, I don't want it to run down there. I want it to stay in. We'll do that. Okay, so maybe that's the key there, is just to get that in there. So I'm going to keep working on this. That is our little video for today. So I'm completely self-funded here. I supply my own machines, and actually my next video is going to be about the 4 sewing machines that I got between November 27th and December 27th. I got a Singer 401A, so I have 2 of those now. I got another Singer 411G from Germany. I have 2 of those now. And then I also got a 503J, which I did not have. And I also recently, in Montreal here, got a 403A. So I like direct drive machines. I may end up keeping these as my collection, but there's a number of machines here for me to work on. So that's what we're going to see next time. Is I'll show you the 4 machines that I did do and anyway, we'll talk about it next time. But anyway, please please subscribe. Subscribing helps my channel grow. It gets promoted by YouTube more if there's more subscribers and likes. And absolutely do comment. I'd love to hear from you. If you have situations with your machines, it would be really nice to know what's going on. Anyway, have fun and be safe. Keep healthy. Thank you.